Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Fruity Skewers.
Hi, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Loz, and we're the CO crew, spreading the word about carbon monoxide.
We love getting outside now it's summer, especially for a barbecue. And we've got another great recipe idea for you. It's really quick and easy.
And most importantly, seriously delicious. So, get ready for Fruity Skewers. My nan does a mean fruit salad. But did you know you can grill fruit?
And it's delicious. We're gonna make fruit skewers with a mix of fruits. I'm using a large thickly sliced banana, a mango, and a peach, both stoned and cubed, 2 kiwi fruits, peeled and quartered, and 175 grams of strawberries. Chop all the fruit into good sized chunks and slide the chunks onto skewers. You should be able to make 8.
They're not only really colourful, they make a wicked pudding.
Not yet. We've got to put them on the barbecue for around 10 minutes, just long enough for the fruit to get caramel gloss.
Once ready, they're awesome served with ice cream and chocolate sauce.
Remember to get an adult to put things on and take things off the grill. After all, what is it we want, Loz?
Barbies, not burns, right?
Right.
And that's another great recipe for your barbecue from the CO crew. Now remember to always use your barbecue out in an open space and never inside anywhere.
As well as making sure that your house doesn't smell of smoke, barbecues produce a gas called carbon monoxide. You can't see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, or touch it, but it can make you feel ill or worse.
That's why it's important to follow these rules to stay safe.
Give the barbecue lots of space in the open air. Never take them indoors or inside a tent or even a gazebo.
Make sure gas barbecues are working correctly and are properly assembled.
It's not difficult to stay safe, and it's worth taking the time to make sure nothing spoils the perfect barbecue. Well, almost nothing.
Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Look online for barbecue recipe cards and how you can send the CO crew your favourite recipe. You may even win a prize. Find out more at funkidslive.com/CO crew.